Hello, crazy people. What's up? Today I'm going to say something that I think you will... Hello? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm going to say something that you wouldn't like or you would like. Turn around over here. Is that better?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Why are you going close? That's why I told you not to go close. Okay.
So what about your shirt?
What?
I
don't know what to say.
What about the song?
What song?
The song you were singing earlier with it.
I hate that song.
But it's funny.
Well, I'm not going to say that out here. Hello, crazy people. What's up today? So, what do you want to talk about? Any stuff? What else? Like, anything you want? Stop staring at my hands! Look at my face. I know I'm a bird, and I know I'm a paper, but what is the problem? Hello? I can see you. You see my eye?
Yes.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy. Wah ha 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 ha. Hello.